Fire Safety in the Kitchen by George Freeberger. The leading cause of fire in restaurants. 5% are intentional, 7% are from smoking materials, 7% are also coming from electrical distribution and lighting equipment, 10% comes from heating equipment, and 57% comes from cooking equipment. The most common fire-related injuries are death, smoke inhalation, and burns that include first degree, second degree, and third degree. The frequency and financial cost involved with fires in restaurants. These statistics I was able to pull came from the FEMA website. An estimated of 5,900 restaurant building fires are reported to U.S. fire departments each year and cause an estimated average of 75 injuries and $172 million in property loss. Cooking is the leading cause of all restaurant building fires at 59%. Nearly all of these cooking fires are small, confined fires with limited damage. While cooking is the leading cause of all restaurant building fires, as well as confined restaurant building fires, electrical malfunction is the leading cause of the larger, non-confined restaurant building fires. Non-confined restaurant building fires most often start in cooking areas and kitchens. Deep fryers, ranges, and miscellaneous kitchen and cooking equipment are the leading types of equipment involved in ignition in non-confined restaurant building fires. Smoke alarms were reported as present in 44% of non-confined restaurant building fires. In addition, full or partial automatic extinguishment systems, mainly sprinklers, were present in 47% of non-confined restaurant building fires. So the fire prevention steps that I have came up with the help of the National Restaurant Association Fire 101 training, were the first step being install an automatic fire suppression system in the kitchen, which is involved and included with the hood system. Keep portable fire extinguishers as a backup. Schedule regular maintenance on electrical equipment. Have your exhaust system inspected for grease buildup, and have an evacuation plan. Install an automatic fire suppression system in the kitchen along with the hood system. The hood system removes grease and hot air. Hood systems work in conjunction with fire suppression systems. The fire suppression system is crucial because 57% of restaurant fires involve cooking equipment. These systems automatically dispense chemicals to suppress the flames and also have a manual switch. Activating the system automatically shuts down the fuel or electric supply to nearby cooking equipment. Have your fire suppression system professionally inspected semi-annually, and the manufacturer of these can refer you to authorized distributors for inspection and maintenance. Next, have your exhaust system inspected for grease buildup. The NFPA fire code calls for quarterly and semi-annual inspections of systems. Monthly inspections are required for some systems. These systems that require monthly inspections are systems with high volume operations and systems that exhaust systems are serving solid fuel, which include wood and charcoal burning ovens. Furthermore, managers can inspect daily these exhaust systems using common knowledge and proper identification with the machines and exhaust systems working correctly. Also looking in them to visually inspect and see what their grease buildup may look like. They can also daily clean grease buildup that they may see. And just as an added tip, to never throw water on any grease fire. Next, to add to the fire hazard, keep portable fire extinguishers as a backup. Class K extinguishers for kitchen fires involving grease, fats, and oils that burn at a high temperature. They are intended to be used after the evacuation of a built-in hood suppression system, or activation of a built-in hood suppression system. Then, furthermore, as a side note, keep Class A, B, and C extinguishers elsewhere for all other fires. Schedule regular maintenance on electrical equipment, including the fire suppression system in the kitchen. Hire a licensed, experienced electrician. Pay attention to hazards like frayed cords or wiring. Also watch for broken switch plates and combustible items near power sources. Be sure to maintain a regular schedule with the operation of maintenance and electrical equipment. Next, designate an evacuation plan. One staff member per shift to be an evacuation manager. That person should be in charge of calling 911, determining when an activation is necessary, and ensuring that everyone exits the restaurant safely. Ensure your staff knows where the closest exits are, depending on their location in the restaurant. Front door is always an emergency exit. Have emergency exits marked clearly in your evacuation plan. And here we have a visual of an evacuation plan map. Definitely consider posting one of these in your restaurant. In summation, fires are a serious and very real hazard in the food service industry. It is imperative to take all the necessary precautions and preventative measures to keep our workplace safe from all hazards, including fires, making it mandatory to install an automatic fire suppression system in the kitchen and hood system, keep portable fire extinguishers as a backup, scheduling regular maintenance on electrical equipment, having your exhaust system inspected for grease buildup, and having an evacuation plan will help us in our best efforts to reduce the risk of fire as thoroughly as possible.